but I don't know how to wear a sari, Suman. So if I buy the sari, it's of no use. So
Oh my
do I
God.
have
Okay. But ma'am, your family, your others, any family member, just like your mothers and your any cousin, they know how to put sari.
to this? Oh, they wear the sari. My mother wears the sari beautifully. I also wear the sari, Suman. It is very embarrassing for me to say this. I wear the sari, but it's not nice. So when if there's a function, I have to go to the beauty salon to wear the sari.
Okay,
Or
okay,
my husband
okay.
says that she spends more money to go to the salon than for the sari. So what is the purpose of buying me the sari?
Uh, so I
I
think,
don't.
ma'am, I think,
Yeah.
ma'am, you have to learn from your mother how to put saris. Hello, ma'am.
Hi, Suman. Good afternoon. How are you doing?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm doing, ma'am, great, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for asking. Ma'am, we are meeting very first time, so I would like to know about you, ma'am.
Sure. My name is Neetu, and I am a tutor at EnglishYaari. So, welcome to EnglishYaari. I am based in Kerala, and I have a bachelor's degree in engineering. I am an electronics and communications engineer by profession. But more than engineering, I actually prefer to teach people communication skills and to help them improve their English, which is why I'm here today. I also have twin daughters. I have 3-year-old twin girls. Yeah, that's about it, I think, from my end. How
Okay.
about you, Suman?
Yes,
Do you want to tell me a little about yourself?
yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. As you know, ma'am, my name is Suman Das. I am from West Bengal, Kolani. These days, I am working in an IT company, and as well as I have a YouTube channel, and as well as I am pursuing master degree. There are
Oh,
four members in my family.
nice.
Yes, I have done my graduation. Apart from done diploma in multimedia animation, Jadavpur University. Ma'am, this is
Excellent.
my short introduction, ma'am.
Wow, very nice. Short introduction, but very powerful introduction. You have a YouTube channel, is what you said, Suman. What is it about?
Actually, ma'am, these days I'm uploading English Yaari conversation video on my YouTube channel. My
Okay.
YouTube channel name is English with Suman.
Oh, nice. Very good. Okay. So hopefully I'll become a celebrity once I come on your channel then.
Okay.
I'm joking. Great. So are you working currently? I know you told me that you're studying, but are you working as well? Yeah, you mentioned that you're working in an IT company, correct?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, these days Durga Puja festivals going on in our state. So
Yes.
that's why last night my office gave work from home. So right now
Excellent.
I'm doing work from home at my home.
Oh, very good. Very good. Okay, fine.
Yes, yes.
So how are your Durga Puja celebrations coming along?
Yes, ma'am, it has been doing great. Everyone these days celebrating Durga festivals, and
Yes.
everyone visiting many place. And today after office, I'll go to outside. Then I'll make fun with my friends. Yes,
Excellent. Wow, that's the best thing, no? Meeting your friends, catching up with family. Festivals are all about that, no?
yes, yes, ma'am.
That's great. So, Suman, do you know what today's topic is about?
Yes, ma'am. Today my topic name is Indian Army, but ma'am, we are meeting very fast time, so I would like to know about you.
Sure.
What should I say? Uh, I want to know about you more and more, so that's why.
Oh,
And whenever
okay.
I'll join again your session, then definitely we'll discuss about any topic.
Okay, that's not a problem. So, in that case, Suman, maybe I can also know because I come from the south of India. I come from Kerala, and you are from West Bengal.
Yes.
So, this Durga, when you mention Durga Puja, a movie comes to my mind. Do you know which movie?
Which movie? I mean, no, I don't know. Did you watch any Durga Puja movie?
Well, not a movie about Durga Puja, but I have watched a movie called Kahani.
Okay,
Kahani
Kahani.
starring Vidya. Do you know Kahani? It stars Vidya Balan.
Yeah, I heard. that name, but I
But
didn't
you haven't
watch
watched
this
the movie?
movie.
Oh, it was a first class movie, Suman. It was a first class movie. It is actually a thriller movie. But the reason I'm talking about that movie to you now is because the at the climax, the finale of the movie, all these beautiful women, they were wearing these white saris with the red borders, and they had the big red bindis, and they were following the goddess. I'm sorry, I do not know your goddess too much. I think it's goddess Durga, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, yes,
And,
yes, ma'am. Yes, yes. Actually, if I
okay.
talked about my city and my state, every girls these days putting that kind of sari. Yes, yes.
Really? Oh, I love those saris, but I don't know how to wear a sari, Suman. So if I buy the sari, it's of no use. So
Oh my
my
God. Okay. But ma'am, your family, your others, any family member, just like your mothers and your any cousin, they know how to put sari.
Yes. Oh, they wear the sari. My mother wears the sari beautifully. I also wear the sari, Suman. It is very embarrassing for me to say this. I wear the sari, but it's not nice. So when if there's a function, I have to go to the beauty salon to wear the sari.
Okay,
Or
okay,
husband
okay.
says that she spends more money to go to the salon than for the sari. So what is the purpose of buying me the sari?
Uh, so I
I
think,
don't.
ma'am, I think,
Yeah.
ma'am, you have to learn from your mother how to put sari, so you can
Yes,
easily,
yes.
put on
I'm very
sari anytime,
lazy.
anywhere.
Yeah, but I'm very lazy, Suman. That is the problem. I should. What you said is true. But you told me your family. You have four members in your family. So who are in your family, if you don't mind telling me?
Yes, actually, there are four family members. I have my father and my mother, and I have an elder brother and me.
Oh, nice. Very good. Okay. So today is what are you going to normally? What do you do during the Durga Puja festivities? What is the main day of the festival? Because I understand it's a 9 day festival. Yes.
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay.
Actually, we celebrate 9 days Durga Puja, and each and every day we eat different food, and each and every day we put different cloth,
Okay.
and
Okay.
um, in our city every colony celebrate Durga Puja, and they also make pandal, and we go
Yeah.
there every day at lunch, and then we take lunch from Durga Puja pandal. And
Okay.
yes, because every club arrange lunch.
Right. Okay. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes,
every club has a different Durga Puja. You use the word pandal. Pandal means tent. So you can use the word tent in future. In
yes,
English, pandal
yes.
means tent. So you can refer to it as a tent. Okay.
So
Okay. Go ahead.
every club arrange lunch for Durga Puja, and as well as these days, um, actually little bit, ma'am, right now I'm nervous. How to
That's
explain you
okay.
each
Don't
and
be
everything?
nervous. But I do I look like I'm going to eat you? No, right?
Yes, 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 I can
Don't
understand.
worry. Don't
Mm,
worry. I'm being pure vegetarian. So today I will not eat any non-vegetarian. So you can be very confident and speak to me, Suman. I will not eat you. Don't worry.
and ma'am, these days you are eating non-veg or veg during Navratri?
For me, I don't celebrate Navratri. I am a Christian, so
Okay.
yeah, which is why I don't know anything about Navratri. To be honest, that is why I was asking you. It sounds very exciting, and
Yes.
like I said, the only information I have is from this movie. I have never
Okay.
been to West Bengal or anything, so I don't know anything about your festival. It's a beautiful festival, I think. Yes.
Yes, yes. And ma'am, Durga God have four children,
Oh,
just like um, Kartik, Ganesh, and Lakshmi and Saraswati.
oh, right. Okay,
Yes.
understood. Okay, very nice. Okay.
And Durga gods come her. father's house um,
Okay.
with their uh, children. So
Ah, okay. Understood.
yes,
Okay.
so
So you're telling me that Durga goddess, that is Durga Ma, she has come to her father's house with her
yes,
four children. This is what you're telling me?
yes, ma'am,
Okay.
yes.
Understood. Understood. Okay.
And
Okay.
uh, and after that, 9 days later, return her house.
Understood. Oh, that is why this is a 9 day celebration.
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. Very good. Okay, okay. So after 9 days, she comes back to her house. That is to Durga Ma's house. She's coming back to her own house. That is what
Yes,
you're telling me.
yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Okay, fine. Understood. Okay. So, and I also, one more thing I've heard, is it true? I don't, and if I'm not saying it correctly, please, I'm sorry. But is it true that women fast during this period, Suman?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. There are so
They fast.
many girls and women. They
Okay.
take fast during Durga
So,
Puja.
fast during Durga Puja, which means your mother is also fasting during this period?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, right. Okay. So how long will she fast? That is from morning to afternoon or morning to evening. How is it? How long will she fast?
Yes. Every woman and every girls after Anjali, they prefer eat food. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. The priest does the ritual. The priest does the ceremony.
Yes, the priest does the ceremony, and after that,
Okay.
girls eat food.
The priest completes the ceremony. After the priest completes the rituals, then the girls will break their fast.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
Suman. So because they were fasting, so okay, so I will make a sentence.
yes,
So
ma'am. Yes,
Neetu has been fasting since morning. Okay, if you can write it down somewhere, write it down. Neetu has been fasting. My name is Neetu, which is why I'm saying that. So Neetu has been fasting since morning.
okay,
Now the priest has come and has completed all the rituals.
okay,
All the rituals. Okay. So now Neetu can break her fast.
okay.
Or so now Neetu will break her fast, or Neetu can break her fast
Okay, after ritual.
after the rituals. So the expression that you can use here is break your fast.
Okay, okay, ma'am. I
When
can
you
use.
have breakfast, breakfast in the morning, you eat breakfast. Why is it called breakfast? Have you ever thought of it? Break fast. When you break down the words, it's break fast because you were sleeping the whole night. So for 6 to 8 hours, you are actually fasting. You do not eat any
Yes,
food for 6 to 8 hours. Correct?
yes,
So
ma'am.
it
Yes,
is like you are breaking the fast by having breakfast.
yes, yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so it's the same thing here. Neetu can now break her fast because the priest has finished his rituals.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay,
Yes,
great. Very good. So once the priest finishes the rituals, then your mother will break her fast, which means
yes, ma'am.
that the priest comes to your house every day, or the priest comes to your colony every day.
Actually, priest comes tent every day
Okay,
during Navratri.
the priest comes every day during Navratri.
Yes,
But my
yes.
question is, does he come to your house, or does he come to the colony or your locality? Where does he come?
No, actually, ma'am, I cannot see you.
Oh, can you see me?
No, ma'am.
What happened? But I can see you very well, Suman.
Okay, no problem, but I can't see you. Okay, so
But
after that,
can you see
every
me?
girls, go to Trent. It means Puja Mandap.
Oh, they'll go to the puja. Ah, okay.
And right
Okay.
now, my home surrounding Puja Mandal,
Yes.
start, song.
Oh, okay.
Can you hear that song?
Little bit. Just very, very faintly I can hear because you have earphones, no? So that's why I
Yes,
cannot hear. Yeah, but
yes,
that's okay. Yeah,
yes.
nice.
That
Okay.
song name Durga Hello, Durga Hello.
Very nice. Okay.
Yes.
Oh, excellent. Very good.
Yes.
Suman, this has been a wonderful conversation, but I just realized we only have 2 more minutes left before the session will close. So,
Okay.
can I tell you how the session has gone? I want to say, first of all, I had a
Yes.
great session. This has been an excellent session because I know our we wanted to speak about the Indian Army, but we ended up speaking about the festivities, which is great. That is actually a
Yes.
very good thing because I also got to know things a little better. So, and one more thing is, Suman, I love your confidence and you love to talk and you love to speak and realize your mistakes because you are someone who wants to learn. You have the motivation to learn. So, that is a
Yes.
very
Yes.
good thing. Okay. So, one thing I noticed, Suman, some expressions you used too many times. For instance, actually, you use this actually word everywhere. Then
Okay.
another thing is you also use these days. Okay. So when you start a sentence, what you should say is, I am currently working from home.
Okay.
This is another way of saying it. This is an easy, it is a
Yes.
better way of saying it. I am
Be-
currently working from home.
because right now I'm currently work from home, so I can say currently. But if
Yeah,
I
exactly.
continue my work, it has been 5 days, 4 days. So that time, if I use these days, I'm working at home. So
Yeah.
that appropriate. I
Then
can.
you can say it's fine. Yeah. So for the past, you can say it like this, Suman. For the past few days, I have been working from home. For the
Yes.
past few days, I have been working from home. Or instead of that, Suman, you can say just one word is enough. Currently. If you use the
Yes.
currently means at present. At present,
Yes.
I am working from home. Or currently, I am working from home. So English is a very simple language. That's not complicated. We can make it
Yes.
as a very simple sentence. That is what I am trying to say.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I can understand. Yes.
Understood?
Actually, ma'am,
Then what?
today,
Yeah.
continue, continue. Go
Tell
ahead,
me.
ma'am. Continue.
No, no, you wanted to say something. You tell me.
Actually, ma'am, today we are discuss about Durga Puja.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
actually, I am still learner, so I don't have more, heavy vocabulary word. So
Don't
that's
worry.
why
That
I
is
could
okay.
not make sentences,
That
better
is
about.
okay, Suman. No, that is okay. But you are willing to learn, no? You have the motivation to learn. And I learned so much from you today. So you should be happy about that because you taught me so much today. And I am very grateful for that. Thank you so much. But again, see, you use the word actually three times. Now, when you spoke to me, you use the word actually three times. But don't worry.
Yes,
As the sessions progress, we will improve on that. You can book more sessions with the tutors on English Yari, or if you want to book a session with me, see when my slots are available next time, and you can book a
yes,
session with me. That is also not a problem. Also,
yes,
one more thing is I noticed your pronunciation. A few of the words like city, colony, those words, no, it was difficult for me to understand initially. So I felt that the pronunciation also you have to work on a little bit more. But don't worry, Suman. Overall, I feel that there is a scope for improvement because you love to talk. So that is
yes,
a
ma'am.
very good
Yes,
thing.
yes. Actually, I
So that is a
like
very
to talk to anyone. I can speak in front of anyone without hesitation.
very
But
good.
sometime some
Yeah.
vocabulary problem come. I mean to say, sometime I don't know exact where I used perfect vocabulary. So that's
No problem. So that we will improve as the sessions progress. So now our
yes,
session is going to get cut any moment, Suman. So what you do is you see which slot is available next for you. That is convenient. You can book a slot, and that time we will improve and we will work on your vocabulary a little more. In the meantime, I will give you a small homework. Okay? Can you
okay,
please next time, either with me or with anyone else, when you make a session, can you please I want you to say, because our topic today was on Indian Army, but we did not discuss that. I want you to, what will you say if a soldier comes in front of you? How will you thank that soldier for protecting our country? In your own way, you can say something, maybe with four or five sentences. Okay, just prepare a small write up or how a small speech. And next instructor who is taking a session, either me or anyone else, I want you to start the session by talking about that. Okay.
okay, okay, ma'am. Okay,
Okay. All right, Suman,
okay,
I have to go now because the session is almost over. It will get cut. So thank you so much. And again, once again, happy Navratri, happy Durga Puja. Please wish your family also from my end. All right.
okay, ma'am. So nice talking to you, ma'am. Hope to see you soon. Take care,
I
ma'am.
hope you had a good session. You take care of yourself, okay?
Sure, ma'am. Okay, bye, ma'am. Take care. Okay, bye.
Bye.